Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Russell here with a quick tutorial on how to edit web pages. Okay, very easy, pretty harmless. All right, so let's get into it. Let's open our web browser and search for something. Let's see, maybe the richest man. I think I've searched for this before. Yeah, yes, I have. So you're going to be working on this page, all right? So first of all, you're going to open the menu section of your web browser and look for developers tools. Okay, so here is it. You go to more tools and go to developers tools. After that, you're going to navigate to console, all right, and type in document.design mode. This mode is currently turned off. You're going to turn it on by equaling it to on in parentheses. All right. After doing this, this mode will be turned on, and you can modify any text at all on this page. All right. So I'm going to change Elon Musk to my name. Also Austin Abba. Now, what is so nice about this is that it maintains the font size and style of like whatever was there on this page. Alright, so you can be taking your screenshots, for fun. Disclaimer: this video is not to be used for any fraudulent activities. I'm actually telling you that this could be done. Okay, so if anybody comes to you with a web page of PayPal, maybe having 2 million account in his account, know this could be done, and you should ask more questions. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'll be making more videos, more content on this, something like this. All right. So just help me out to grow this channel.